Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So from the thumbnail and the title you would know that today's video is about how to keep going when you don't see results that you want to see. So today's video is going to be a breakdown of all the things that I myself do to keep myself working towards something where I don't see some desired results. So I will be sharing a real life example with you all. So this video will be divided into a lot of parts and I will leave the timestamps in the description box below so you can skip to the part which you want to see. So let's get started with the video. So I will be talking about how YouTube has been for me. So this is something which I started out of pure passion and something which I always wanted to do. I started this back in July 2020 and now it has been roughly 8 months of me doing YouTube. I am posting regularly, like twice a week every single month. I have missed an upload here and there, but I have been consistent for the longest time, and I would tell you how I am still so motivated to create videos when I don't see the results that I want to see. When I started YouTube, I had a perception that YouTube is something which is absolutely easy to do. Firstly, I thought that creating videos, editing them is quite easy to do, but when I went behind the camera and when I had to do the work, I realized that each and every process of this thing is so time consuming and it requires so much of efforts and a little bit of skills as well. So this piece of cake was no longer a piece of cake for me. If I have to compare studying and doing YouTube, I would say that doing YouTube is much more difficult, because the most difficult thing that I have done is to study for my exams, but doing YouTube is a whole new thing and something which I have no experience in. When I saw that I need to put in efforts, I started expecting to get better results also. I was expecting that if I'm putting in so much hours of work, I would also have a fruitful result, but it is not what it looks like. Past few months have been a little difficult because I saw that my views have been going down and even the reach of my channel has been going down compared to the January month. January was one of the best months for me in terms of my YouTube thing, but now in the mid-Feb and the March thing has been going down, and that is what was bothering me. So this is the scenario that we have. So now we will be talking about how to not get affected by not seeing the results that we want to see. So the first thing is to analyze that what is going wrong, analyze that what went good for you, then analyze something that you are not doing in order to get the results that you want, and the fourth thing that you need to analyze is something that you have been doing but is not working. Okay, so these are the four things that you need to look out for. So I went ahead and saw that what is not working out for me. I have tried multiple video topics. I have been so experimental with my channel. I checked that what is working for me and what is not, but I saw that challenge videos are something which is working a lot on my channel. Okay, as much as I love making challenge videos, I realized that I also love making vlogs, and vlogs might not be something which people on my channel want to see. They want to see challenges more, but I love creating vlogs more. So I thought of doing a thing wherein I will be posting, as I post 2 videos, so I thought of posting one challenge video and one vlog related video, something which I actually enjoy making. I don't get me wrong, I love making challenge videos, but my soft corner is for vlogs and slow videos which I like to see myself, and I am trying to still mix up my content and play with it as much as I can, because I don't want to stick to one thing. I don't want to create just one particular thing because I feel I am caged that way. And the next thing that you need to look for is that are you being realistic with your goals? It is very easy to wish for an overnight success, because that is what we see on social media. We see the upper cream. We see that people are getting famous, getting followers, getting views, getting likes in matter of seconds, hours, days, and here you are putting in so much effort and still you are stuck at an average number. But it should not affect you. I know it is easier said than done, but yes, it should not, because overnight success is a myth. It might work for 1 or 2 people, but it doesn't work for everyone, because it is consistency and your hard work and your efforts and how you're upgrading your work every single time which will get you what you want. So that is what I'm trying to shift my focus to. I have always been a believer of working hard and not thinking much about the result. This is what I have been doing since a very long time in my life. But in the middle, even I got distracted by seeing other people who have not put much content but still have much more subscribers than me. But then I told myself that the journey is different, the path is different, the end goal is different. So it is not fair to compare yourself with anyone. You need to be realistic with your goals. I am a very realistic person, I would say. I am optimistic, but I'm also realistic. I like to be grounded and think about that it is one step at a time, and yes, I will get where I want to be, but I will not be hard on myself. I won't be comparing myself. The next thing that you can do is to re-strategize your strategies, because once a while you need to update the existing things that you follow in order to be up to date with what is there in the market right now, what the people want, what your audience want, and what you yourself want to do. So yes, you can seek help from someone who is an elder, who has experience in it, because experience matters a lot and experience will teach you much more than anything else. So I don't have someone who I can talk to about YouTube. I don't have an elder to talk about YouTube things. So what I do, I go on YouTube, I search for my favorite YouTubers, I see what worked for them, which video is something which people like to watch, and how are their style of filming and editing, and I try to recreate it, try to take inspiration from them and add some of my things and produce it to my audience. And lastly, I would say that you still need to work harder and harder and harder, because the competition is rising every single day, every single minute, and you cannot stop yourself in the middle and give up. Okay, you need to work, and the process and the journey is very, very long. I know for a fact that the result would be sweeter than anything else. I'm leaving everything to God, and I still work as hard as I used to do back in July when I started. I work even harder now because I know I need to put out better content each and every time when I am posting. You need to keep pushing yourself, because you have to get to the end point to see how it feels like. So yeah, remind yourself of your goals and what all things you want in life, and that is how you keep pushing yourself even when you don't see the results you want to see. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have any video requests, write them down in the comments below. I will make sure that I make them for you. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video.